This is a 1970 Cadillac Eldorado right-hand fender extension assembly, and we're going to show how this unit gets mounted onto the rear quarter panel of the car. First, we're going to take the retainer bar, the long, I call it the L shape, it's really a hockey stick or something like that, whatever you want to call it, and this is the right-hand unit, and it fits inside the rubber filler, as so. So once we have the long hockey stick shaped or L shaped, whatever you want to call it, retainer bar embedded within the rubber filler, this is going to be the rear right hand filler that goes in between this beautiful right hand bumper extension end that I've got for Robert, and it's going to go as such. Basically like this. So I'm going to put the bumper end down, and just as there's the long retainer for the inside of the filler, there's also the short V-shaped retainer that follows the trajectory of the bottom of the fender extension. And there's 5 machine screws, okay, and these are the 5 machine screws right here with the fine threads, and these fine thread machine screws will go into the corresponding holes at the bottom of the V-shaped trajectory, with this retainer right here positioned as such, with the flat side on top going up against there inside the retainer. So I'll go ahead and position that inside the rubber filler, position the V-shaped retainer inside the rubber filler, and there's some rubber tabs that you have to get over. And here's an example of one of the tabs right there, and another one right there that goes into that hole. Probably can't see because of the light. There's the tab that goes into this tab goes into that hole. This tab goes into the other hole. There we go. And once those tabs have been aligned, we now have our screw holes also aligned. And the screws will go from the inside whereby you bend this open, and they get mounted inside as such.